One system could handle all your financial transactions, inventory movement, and reports in just a few clicks. Welcome to a smarter way to manage your business operations. With our system, you can easily record both cash payments and receipts, as well as bank payments and receipts. Every transaction is properly tracked, and you can instantly share digital receipts with any customer, vendor, or staff member. No paperwork, no confusion. Now let's move to purchase management. Managing suppliers and purchases becomes fully streamlined. You can create purchase orders, convert purchase orders directly into purchase bills, generate debit notes when required. This ensures vendor accounts are always accurate. No more mismatched bills, no more confusion in outstanding balances. Every purchase is properly recorded, linked, and tracked. Your entire purchase cycle becomes structured and professional. Inventory is critical in catering operations. The system updates your stock in real time. You can transfer raw materials internally between locations, record raw material returns, track inward and outward movement. Every item movement is recorded automatically. This helps you avoid shortages during events, overstocking, wastage. You always know what is available and what needs to be reordered. Complete visibility, complete control. The account reports give you quick and complete financial visibility. Track collections, check ledger entries, monitor cash and bank transactions. Generate GST reports instantly. All data is real-time and accurate, helping you make better decisions without manual calculations or confusion. Inventory visibility is equally important for catering businesses. With the stock ledger and detailed stock reports, you can check item-wise stock availability, track inward and outward movement, monitor raw material consumption, identify slow-moving or fast-moving items. The transaction report gives you a detailed view of all financial transactions recorded in the system. You can filter transactions by date, payment mode, cash or bank, party name, transaction type. This report helps you review daily collections, track payment history, verify bank entries, cross-check financial records. Every transaction is documented with complete details, making audits and verification simple and transparent. No missing entries, no confusion. Every rupee is traceable. Managing staff and payroll is now simple and automated. You can manage holidays, employment contracts, assign salaries, record advances, and run payroll in just a few clicks. The system automatically adjusts advances and calculates monthly salaries accurately. No manual work, no calculation errors, and no confusion in deductions, just smooth and transparent staff management. One platform, complete control over payments, purchases, stock, GST, and payroll. Go digital, go smart, grow your business with confidence.